Jai Hind students, I am going to explain you module 7 of chapter Log on to Animate CC. Flipping an object. Drag a fish using the drawing tool and fill color in it using paint bucket tool. Select the fish using the selection tool. Select the modify, then transformation option. Then choose either flip vertical or flip horizontal and observe the change in the object. Copying an object. Select the object that you want to copy by using the selection tool. Then select the edit tab and then copy option. Click on the blank area on the stage. Select the paste in center option from the edit menu. You will get the duplicate copy of the object at the center of the stage. Moving an object. Select the object that you want to move by using the selection tool. Place the pointer inside the object. A four-headed arrow seen appear next to the arrow. Click and drag the object to a new position. Release the mouse and you will see that the object has moved to a new location. Importing the graphics. Select the file tab, then import and then import to stage. The import dialog box appear. Browse and select the file that you want to import and click on OK button. The picture will be displayed on the stage. Animation in Animate. Animation involves a series of still images, usually painted or sketched, display in rapid sequence. This transformation from one image to another is so quick that it appears to show movement. Animation in Animate is created by changing the contents of successive frames. We can make an object move across the stage, increase or decrease its size, fade in or fade out, change colors or shape using an animation. Frame by frame animation. In frame by frame animation, we create an image in every frame. Twinned animation. In the twinned animation, we create the starting and ending keyframes to animate the object. Animate itself create the motion effect in between the frames. Tint twinning. Tint twinning is used to change the color of an object. Tint effect works only on symbols and cannot be added to the object that are drawn directly on the canvas of the movie. Select the text tool in the tool panel. Select text, then font, then homeward bound. Choose a text tab, then size, then 48 size from the menu to set the big font size. Select text style, Fox bold to make the text bold, or you can make change in the formatting of the text property panel as shown in a figure. Now type the text keeps in the work area. Click on the selection tool and select the text. Now click on the modify and then convert to the symbol. Type the name text for the symbol in the name text box in the convert to symbol dialog box. Select the graphics option from the type drop down list and click on OK button. Graphic symbol automatically gets saved in the library. Select the frame 30 in the timeline and press F5 to insert a frame. Insert a keyframe in frame 10, frame 20 and frame 30. To add tint effect, select the frame 1 and click on the type text. In the property inspector, selecting frame from the drop down list of the style option under the color effect section. Move the tint slide toward right to the make it 100%. Set the color to red 255, green 0 and blue 0. Similarly, add tint twinning to frame 10 and set the color R0 Z255 B0. Add tint twinning to the frame 20 and set the color R0 Z0 B25. Add tint twinning to frame 30 and set the color R25 Z0 B0. Right click on the timeline at any place between frame 1 and frame 10 and select the Create Classic Twin option from drop down menu. Similarly, right click on the timeline at any place between frame 10 and frame 20 and between frame 20 and frame 30 and choose the Create Classic Twin from the drop down menu. Click on the Control tab text, then select text movie in Animate and with the tint twinning effort on the text. Creating a simple text shape twin. With text shape twinning, you can convert one shape of the text into another shape in order to create an animation. You cannot convert an object into the symbol in shape twinning. Let us try. Select the text tool and choose text tab size 48 from the main menu and select text tab and then style, then bold to make the text thick. You can also select the font size and style from the property panel under the character section. Click on the color in the property panel. The color palette will be displayed. Select any color of your choice. Type the next on the stage in the first frame of the timeline. Select Window tab, Align. In Align panel, select Align to Stage checkbox. Click on the Align Horizontal Center button and Align Vertical button under the Align section. Close Align panel by clicking the hamburger button and choose the Close Group option. Move the pointer at frame 50 and right click the mouse. Select the Insert Keyframe option from pop-up menu. Select frame 1 and choose Break Apart from the Modify menu. The later break into the separate blocks. Again select the Break Apart option. Note the text gets converted into shape. Now right click on the frame 25 and select Insert Blank Keyframe option. Type some new text and then apply Align Horizontal Center and Vertical Center on it. Select text in frame 25, then choose Modify tab, break apart twice. Similarly, select the text on frame 50 and then choose Modify tab. From there, select break apart twice. Right click between the frame 1 and frame 25 and select the Create Shape Twin option from the context menu. Then right click between frame 25 and frame 50 and again select Create Shape Twin option. Select Control tab, then Play option from the main menu to play animation. Applying filter to text. Filter allow you to add interesting visual effect to the text button and movie clips. Filter usually involve effects such as drop, shadow, blur, glow, B-level, etc. This effect can be easily applied using the property panel. Follow these steps. Open a new Animate document. Select the text tool from tool panel and type Wisdom. Choose the selection tool and then select Modify Break Apart. Now convert each letter of your text into a symbol by pressing F8 and select Movie Clip Type from the Convert to Symbol dialog box. Select all the letters using selection tool. Click on the Add Filter button under the Filter section of Property panel. Select the Drop Shadow. Select the Drop Shadow from the context menu and observe the change. The settings for the applied filter will appear in the Filter section of Property panel. Quick View. To make the property panel visible on the screen, press Ctrl plus F3 key. Animating filtering text. Animate provide a unique feature to animate movie clips that have filters using the classic twins. You can create an animation that contains light source effect, highlights, bevel, distortion by changing the filter properties at different keyframes and applying classic twin. Let us create a disappearing text effect on the text with drop shadow effect created above. Right click on it and select distribute to layer option from the context menu. This will split all the letters into the separate layers. Select the layers of the first letter and insert the keyframe at the frame 10. Select the layer of the second letter and insert keyframe at 50. Repeat this step for all the letters of your text. On the timeline, right click between the two keyframes of layer and select the create classic twin option. Repeat the same steps for all the layers. Select the keyframe 10 for the first letter and click the letter select alpha option from the style drop down list under color effect section. Now move the alpha slider toward left to make it 100%. Repeat this step for all the letters. Press Ctrl plus Enter to preview the animate. Press Ctrl plus Enter to preview the animate. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye children.